Hey, what's up, Reef Finance holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the currently live price update of the Reef Finance. With surprise changes occur in the Reef. Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. The current live price of the Reef Finance in the market is 0.022649 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Reef Finance. Now, guys, the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, changes of the Reef Finance in the market is going positive. I mean, guys, that Reef Finance is a profitable coin for investment. Very profitable, and just look here the charts. Especially from the start of August, you can see here from the 30 July they start pumping. It's still, guys, they are in the pumping mood. A lot of people are going to invest in a Reef Finance. The trading volume of the Reef every day increasing, guys. So I also recommend for you, if you want to make money with the cryptocurrencies market, so I think Reef Finance is a good idea for you to invest in a Reef. Anyways, guys, now 81% the changes is positive in the last 1 month and 0.0226 USD dollar. Possibilities that will become a 0.01 USD dollar. But guys, Reef Finance takes time, need time. If you're a holder, so I think that you have to hold for a long time. That's how you can make money with a Reef. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.